Hey everybody, giving you an up-close look at this cordless leaf blower. This has two adjustable speeds, and this is something that I really like for various reasons. Number one, I like the grip on the handle and that it's super lightweight to use. Number two, it's very simple to set up. Number three, has a great battery life. And number four, most importantly, it gives off a lot of power and really helps with cleaning the yard, which you're going to see in just a moment. Let's get into the details of what you can expect with this. After you unbox it, it takes you less than 3 minutes to set up with all of the attachments, the battery. Very simple to get ready to use. Now, this has a high quality pure copper motor, which can reach a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour. And with this, you're going to be able to take care of leaves, debris, the dirt in your garden, garage, and driveway. As I mentioned, it has a 2-speed selection, which is conveniently right there near the handle, which you use your thumb to adjust. And that's the difference between 110 miles per hour of power and 160 miles per hour. And that allows you to really customize the blower to meet your specific needs. Now, the leaf blower features a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which is complete with LED indicators to monitor the capacity at any time. It can run for 19 minutes straight in low speed mode. So I keep this plugged in inside into a regular outlet, and it doesn't take very long to charge. And once it's charged, then I can take it out to the yard and do my work. I mentioned that this is lightweight. It is. It's less than 5 pounds. It's 4.4 pounds to be exact. So super easy to operate with one hand. And that's one of the most convenient parts of this. Speaking of convenience, as I referred to before, assembling the leaf blower is super simple. You just connect the nozzle, insert the battery, and you're good to go. Its detachable blower tube allows for easy storage or carrying, and the soft grip allows for some really nice control. So that is your up-close look, and you can see just how effective it is at taking care of those leaves, including the ones that are at the base of the trees and can be sometimes difficult to remove some of that debris. But this blower takes care of it. I give it 2 thumbs up. And that's my up-close look at this cordless leaf blower. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.